Do not listen to anyone who tells you that you need to be a pre-law major or a political science major to go to law school. As long as you have a bachelor's degree from an accredited institution, you can go to law school. You do not need a specific major, and you do not need any specific prerequisite courses. Your undergraduate GPA matters a whole lot more. Now, beyond that, which are the majors that are the most impressive? Which are the majors that are going to help you out most in law school admissions? First of all, I will say that probably what matters more than your major itself is your actual coursework. So, if you are, for example, an art major and all of your classes are just in visual arts, then that might be problematic in your law school application. I'm not saying that you will not be able to go to law school, probably will be sort of in the column of things that are not in your favor. But if you are an art major, but you have plenty of coursework, you have a robust curriculum of humanities courses, research, writing heavy courses, and you did really well in all of those, just the art major itself is not necessarily going to hold you back in that situation. Now, that said, some majors do appear sort of on paper, on first glance, as more rigorous than others. So if you majored in nuclear physics and you have a 4.0, that probably is going to be at least marginally more impressive than someone who majored in communications and got a 4.0. Another factor at play here in some situations is how certain majors interact with different legal fields. So if you are interested in education law, for example, and you have a degree in education, that's probably going to be helpful for you. If you are interested in intellectual property law and you have a degree in STEM, you have, a hard science degree, that's probably going to help you. Regardless of your major, you would ideally be taking courses that appear to be rigorous. And you should ideally be taking courses that are heavy on reading, research, writing, critical analysis, logic. Overall, law schools tend not to care that much about your major. They care more about your GPA. They care more about how your transcript looks overall.